Do you facing the problem of the hair loss or hair fall? Nowadays, most female, girls and even the boys are also facing the problem of the hair fall and the hair loss. If having little hair fall in your comb, it's okay. But having hair fall 100 to 200 hairs per day, so need to take the advice. But having hair loss or hair fall, there should be the growth of the new hairs. That is, the growth of the new hair should be there if having the hair loss. If having the hair loss and the new hairs are coming, then no need to worry. Just take off your scalp and hair, that is enough. If you have hair fall but new hairs are not coming, that is called as alopecia. Because hair fall is having but no new growth of the hairs are having, that is why it is called as alopecia. For hair loss, the medicine you can take, that is a monoxidil. This medicine you will get in your medical store. The monoxidil you have to apply topically on a scalp. There is no side effect of this medicine. This medicine have to use it in 2 to 3 bottles. In one bottle also you may get the results, but you have to take, for the good results, you have to take 2 to 3 bottles, then you will be getting the better results. What this medicine will do? This medicine will increase the blood supply to the root hairs. But not necessary. If you are using this medicine, you will get 100% result. That's not necessary. Might be some people will not getting the benefit of this medicine. So, if you are not getting effect of this medicine, it means you are having some internal problem in your body. So need to take care of the internal problem or need to cure the internal problem. If having the hair loss, that means you are having heat in your body. Because of having the heat in your body, there is a hair loss in your body. That is the graying of the hairs and the hair loss you will be having because of having the heat in your body. So, if you are having this problem, if not getting cured with this medicine, then do the meditation, do the yoga and take this medicine. So, you will be getting the better results and you will be getting the 100% result of this medicine.